Aloha and welcome to ITS 129. Today let's take a look at the Premier Products Database. If you have downloaded Microsoft Access, you can find Premier Product Database in Assignment 1. So if you open up Assignment 1, scroll down to the products, there's Premier Products. Open up your Microsoft Access database. Then you would have to do a couple of things, right? With Access, it's always going to ask you to save first, so please save it. I'm going to save it to my documents, and you need to enable content. Now, this is the Microsoft Access database interface, right? Just like most Microsoft products, they have tabs, a File tab where you can save, or a Home tab, Create tab, External tab, Database Tools tab. During the course of this semester, you'll be taking a look at most of the items on these tabs, not all. For today, let's just kind of keep it simple. On here, on the left-hand side, you have something called an Object Pane. Object Pane. The Object Pane lists down all of the objects in your current database. You'll notice that we have tables, queries, one query, and a couple of forms for Premier Products for now. We have five tables over here. Customer, order line, orders, part, and rep. So these are the five tables. If you want to open up a table, all you do is just double click on it, and you see your table and the information in it. In this time, we've opened up the customer table, and the customer table has right now 11 customers. And you can use the navigational bar down here to go and navigate through each record, or you can just kind of click on it, right? You can click on it and you're in that record. Again, the customer table currently has 11 records. They have 11 records, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fields. 9 fields. Now, sometimes the fields are regarded as columns, and the record is regarded as a row. That's because it looks very similar to Microsoft Excel. But in database, we always call it a field, and we always call it a record. Now, the way that you read the data is very simple. Customer number is the number of the customer. The customer's name, what their address is, their current balance, right? What money they owe us. And the credit limit is the amount that they can buy from us without exceeding it, right? And the rep number is the number of the sales representative that has been assigned to this one customer. Another way of seeing this information without each record is if you go to something called the Database Tools and Relationships, right? Now, the relationships, and you can expand the tables here. The relationships are how each of the five tables are related to one another. Usually the tables are organized this way, where they kind of go through many different links to get the different information. For example, a customer and a representative have a direct relationship, and they're joined by something called a rep number foreign key, and a gold key here called a primary key, rep number primary key. Usually that's the way they're joined. So customer and orders are joined this way as well. It's customer number with a primary key, golden key, and a customer number here. Order line to orders is joined this way. Order num, golden key, and an order num here. And a part num is grown this way as well. So again, each of the tables, there's 5 tables in Premier Products. Each table has a number of fields in it. A field is a way to capture different types of data that is captured in a table. A database can have as many tables as it wants, right? And it can have as many queries or forms, and each table can really have as many fields as it wants as well. For now, we're going to stop right there and we will continue with how each table is related to one another.